Hi friends, welcome to Edible Vibes. Today I'm going to make a simple and quick rice. We call it the Mediterranean yellow rice. It is so flavorful that my kids love it and it can be had without any side dish. Let's start. Into a pot, add 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Once the butter melts, add 6 cloves of garlic chopped and fry it. Now add 4 green chillies. You can either chop it or slice it like I have done here. Once the garlic and chillies have sautéed properly, reduce the flame to low and add 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder, one teaspoon cumin powder, quarter teaspoon cinnamon powder, 1 bay leaf, and fry it for a while. To this add 4 cups of chicken or vegetable stock. That is completely your preference. Now add 2 cups of long grain basmati rice which is washed properly. I normally wash it 3 to 4 times or till the water is clear. Now turn the flame to high and bring to a boil. I have not used any extra salt as my stock is quite salty. Adjust the salt to your taste. Once it starts boiling, reduce the flame to medium-low. Cover and cook till the water is fully absorbed. For me, it took around 10 to 12 minutes. This time will depend on the rice that you use. You can check if the water is absorbed by moving the rice a little bit, and if you don't see any water at the bottom of the pot, then it is done. Check if the rice is cooked. Fluff it slowly using a fork. The reason why I am using a fork is because the fork will not break the grains. The rice is ready. Serve it with any side dish of your choice. Until next time, happy cooking.